Hi, my name is Jacob Baggs. I'm one of the design consultants with Bordner Home Improvement. With roofs, there are a ton of materials out there on the market. Everything from a low grade, builder's grade, the first roof that goes on a home, all the way up to designer level stuff. And if you put designer in front of a handbag, it normally comes with a cost increase. The same thing with those shingles. For the most part, what most homeowners need is right here in the middle. You know, you kind of think of that like 200 to 250 pound per square shingle. And even in that rate, there are several on the market in that industry, in that area. We predominantly do Owens Corning duration shingles. Why? Because honestly, Owens Corning is one of the oldest asphalt shingle manufacturers out there. They have been doing it longer than most other manufacturers, and the technology that they have in their shingles goes above and beyond what most other competitors have.